All right, welcome back. My name is Eliel. I teach you how to trade futures, but real simple, all right? We're not gonna get into the complicated stuff at all here in the Gatekeeper community. What I'm gonna teach you is, like I always do, trend, pullback, continuation. So this is a real strategy, guys, that I want you to get drilled in your head so you can pass your eval, you can start making daily payouts. All of the stuff that I'm teaching you in this mini series that I'm doing, which, by the way, I'm going to keep this video real short. You're going to see me get into a trade in and out, and then that's it, using the same strategy. So let's get right into it, right? Enough yapping, more trading. So here we go. First things first, I want to turn on my HTFPO3 indicator on, right? We want to make sure that we see that big candle. There it is. Beautiful. And the next thing you want to do, we're seeing a path here, right? We're seeing trend, pullback, continuation, right? And then trend, pullback, continuation, right? And then trend, pullback, continuation, right? That's what we're going to be seeing next. So we're going to be taking in a buy right here. We're not even going to waste much time. We're gonna go in with 5 contracts, guys. We're not gonna do too much. And then I wanna do a long position from where this price is right here, okay? I'm gonna bring my stop loss right below this fair value gap. And then I'm gonna take my entry on the very next candle. Okay, we're seeing this pullback. All right, and I will be going in. All right, so I'm in on a buy. Beautiful. So we're in on a buy right now. Let me make sure that I move this up to par. Perfect. And then my stop loss is gonna be right underneath this fair value gap. Now again, if you're a beginner trader, I'm gonna recommend that you do no more than 2 contracts. I'm showing you 5 contracts just because I've pretty much graduated myself to 5 contracts. Yes, I've taken trades with 10, right? But we don't recommend it just yet. Get your feet wet. Know exactly what you're looking for, right? Why did we take this trade? Real simple. Like I mentioned earlier, here's the path. Beautiful trend, right? A little bit of consolidation, nice pullback right into the EMA 50, and then I'm expecting this, right? I'm expecting that explosion towards the top, right? My stop loss, obviously it's still present, right? We still want to have a present stop loss, but it's not going to go below that fair value gap, okay? So I'm giving the trade enough room to breathe, right? You need that. Let the trade breathe a bit, right? A lot of you I see online are having stop losses so tight that the moment the trade goes a little bit not your way, it takes you out of the trade and then you missed out on a phenomenal opportunity. So don't do that, okay? All right, so we're gonna get rid of that. We're gonna let the trade take its course. It's looking beautiful, and not just on the 1 minute. Let me show you the 5 minute. Look at that. Look at that. It's been bouncing off of this fair value gap, and it's ready to go kaboom. All right, that's the word we're gonna go with. On the 15th, we're looking great. We're looking great. And then this is the best part, when you're sitting back waiting for that trade just to take off. What's my target? Let's target 200 bucks. All right, we'll do that. 150 to 200 bucks, and then we'll be out of that trade. And that's it, because at the end of the day, guys, that's all you need, okay? Now, so far, we've been in this trade about 2 minutes, and in 2 minutes, I'm already up. You saw it just now, $90, $70. Think about that in real life terms. When's the last time you made $90 in 2 minutes? Exactly, right? All right, so now we're going up, letting the trade do its thing. Just let the market do its thing. We're up 130. I love it, man. I love to see it. And going back to that same point that I was telling you about, that's so true. Like, unless you have a super salary, unless you have some, I don't know, some crazy career, right? You're a heart surgeon or something like that. When's the last time you made, look at the chart right now. When's the last time you made $150 in 3 minutes, in 4 minutes? You see what I'm saying? So make it realistic, right? Trading doesn't have to be so hard. Make it realistic and cash out exactly what you want. That's it. That's all we need. But anyways, this trade is looking beautiful. It's looking strong. Once you make that trade, stick to it. Marry the trade. Don't start. You're not gonna get any smarter after you put the trade in. Okay? Right? I don't want to see you adjusting this and this and that. And no. Leave it where you said you were gonna leave it, and let the trade do its thing. All right? Let it do its thing. Let it fly. Shit, it wants to fly. Look at it. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go. And then you can always encourage it too, all right? You can always encourage a trade. You can always say, come on, baby. Let's go. All right? You got to be the coach on the sidelines telling this trade, come on. Come on, we got this. At the end of the day, stay positive, all right? Yeah, obviously, you can tell that I love trading. You can see how passionate I am about this subject specifically. It's just amazing. I mean, I've never seen anywhere else that you can print money on the go. And I mean print money on the go. I mean, for a second, just zoom out and truly think about this. What are we even doing, right? Are we out there in the hot sun, sweating, carrying bags, right, in a construction site, right? Am I digging into the ground, right? Am I getting yelled at by somebody? No, not at all. My kids are on the first floor, right? Doing their thing, playing with toys. I'm on the second floor here in my office, pressing a button, recognizing trends, and letting the market pay me because I'm right. So put that into perspective, right? I can be a dad and make money at the same time. I mean, I don't know if it gets any better than that. It really doesn't. It really doesn't. So this is why I stress to so many people out there, if you're a dad, if you're a mom, even if you don't have kids, that's okay. I stress it all the time. Learn a skill like this one, that once you know exactly what you're looking for, is gonna pay you time and again, time and again, time and again. So that's what I'm preaching. Hopefully I'm preaching to the choir, because if you're watching this video, you obviously like trading, right? How many people really on YouTube will sit here and stare at a chart? Not a lot. I promise you, not a lot. If you go under the music videos that are trending, how many views does those videos get? 20 million, 30 million, a billion views, right? On that one Luis Fonsi song, Despacito. Because that's what most people do. They'll sit there just to be entertained. How many people are gonna drill in the time, sit here, watch the charts to learn something that's gonna change their life? I'll tell you how many people do that. It's the 1%. 1% of the population is gonna learn how to do this. And that's okay. Because I'd rather do completely the opposite of what the 99% are doing and stick to what the 1% are doing. Because I want to live that way. See what I'm saying? I want to give that life to my family. So that's it. Hey, if you're resonating with what I'm telling you, please let me know that I'm not just yapping. All right? Give a like to the video, right? Boost us up. Help us reach more people. Subscribe to the channel. All right? Please. It helps us a ton. It helps us get out there with the algorithm. Join our free Discord that we're going to be putting down on the description of the video. Get in touch with us. You can talk to us. Right now is the time, right? We have a small channel, but I'm telling you, a year from now, 6 months from now, it's going to be massive, massive channel. So please get in touch with us. Write to us. right? We want to sit there. We do live trainings, not just these, pre-recorded trainings that you're going to be watching later. No. We do live trainings, meaning, hey, we tell you in the Discord, we're going live at this time. And then at that time you get on and we talk about everything about the market, how to get started, what prop firm to use, right? How much should you be risking per trade, right? What's a realistic expectation that you should have in when you're going to be receiving payouts? All of that stuff is in the Discord, right? You're only seeing maybe 20% of what we do here on the Discord, on the YouTube channel. But anyways, all right, so where is my trade at right now? Let's see. I love it. So as you can see, the only thing, if you're gonna say, hey, your entry was a little bit premature, but beyond that, we're still golden, guys. It's rejecting right off of the EMA 50. This is about to go straight to the top. And then perfect. My risk is on point. I'm risking exactly what I need. As long as our trade doesn't go below that fair value gap, we're good. And then here's another thing. Let me see where the 5 minute is. Okay, 5 minute just gave us a brand new candle. Okay, good. That's great. Because there's going to be a lot of volume that's going to come from that. And then on the 15 minute, we got about another 9 minutes before that 15 minute candle is done. All right, perfect. I love to see it. Here we go. And again, a lot of the times when you're trading, you're gonna have to train that mindset, because I could see it already, especially when I started. Right, when I started, I would see negative $120%. Freaking out, right? I'll be freaking out. My heart will be like this. Look, I'll be freaking out. I'll be like, oh my God, what's going on? Is this gonna fall on me? And it was crazy. But again, I had just started, right? I just started doing trading, so it's completely understandable. Okay, it's completely understandable. So if you're feeling that way, when you're in a trade, stick to your trade. All right, stick to your trade. And again, it's not right, but this trade could go completely sideways for me, and it could be just, a bust. But because I stuck to my ways, and I stuck to my to my stop loss, there's no reason for me to freak out. All right, I'm being responsible. I'm risking exactly what I should, and I'm in for the ride. That's it. You got to be in for the ride. At the end of the day, let the trade breathe. This is what I'm talking about, right? It's exactly what I'm talking about. Let that trade breathe, baby. That's it. And be the coach. You're on the sidelines. Be the coach. Come on. Come on, little engine that could. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Look, it's working. Let's go. Let's go. I'm just messing with you. Nah, this is a beautiful trade. I love it. Come on now. Oh man, it's about to take us on the most amazing ride. And listen, at the end of the day, control what you can control, which is this right here. This 6 inches between your ears, that's your superpower. So control that, right? That's it. Stay positive, right? You got the brains. You can make decisions. Why not you? Why not you? That's it. If me, a complete stranger, is able to motivate you, you got to motivate yourself too. That's all I'm saying. That's all. You got to motivate yourself too. You got to wake up every day and say, I can do it. I'm going to do it. Watch me do it. Look, I did it. But it starts with you. Okay? So that's it. And that's how I attack my day every single day. All right? Of course, I'm going to have bad days. Everybody has bad days. But you know what? Those bad days, especially in the market, you know what I call them? Exactly what my mentor taught me to call them. tuition to the market. If I lose a trade, guess what? That's a class that I needed to take and paid for. So here's my tuition. Thank you, market. I learned my lesson. But make sure you learn your lesson, all right? Don't be retaking classes. This ain't the regular college that you used to. No. If a trade goes sideways for you ever, it's okay. Here's my tuition to the market. Let's go, right? That's it. That's all you need. All right, let's keep checking. Here we go. We're on our 5 minute. Beautiful. Ooh, we're about to get a brand new 5 minute candle. I like it. That means the 15 minute candle has got 5 minutes left. I love it. Beautiful. So look at this. We're about to bounce off of that EMA 50. Come on now. Ooh, look how close it is. Now this is what you call living on the edge. Look at, oh, it's right there. I love it, bro. Dude, this is this is what you call living on the edge. All right, what's gonna happen, huh? I bet you're wondering too, huh? What's gonna happen? Where are we going? You ain't taking me out. Let's see. I'm giving it room to breathe. Hold on. I know you see it. Yeah, it's touching. I want to see where this candle closes. If it closes red, then yes, I will close that 100%. I'm with you. But I'm waiting till the candle closes. It hasn't closed yet. It spiked and touched it. Where is it gonna close? Because this might be it. Come on. Give me that nice retrace. Dude, this is so exciting. Just watching it. Just watching to see what's gonna happen. Okay. There we go. Wait. By the way, what an entry. Because I know where it's going. Come on, dude. Come on. I know where it's going. Look at this. Look at this. We all know where it's going. Come on. But what an entry. I mean, wow. What an entry. The way that it keeps playing with the stop loss is just... I love it. Look at this. Look at that entry. Oh my goodness. By the way. Oh, let me get rid of that. There we go. Yeah, dude. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that trend line. Oh. It's a beautiful entry right there. So, interesting. Look what happened. The stop loss was put underneath a fair value gap. This candle right here, right? This one right here, never closed below it, right? It never did. I mean, you saw it live. It didn't close below it. It came down, spiked, touched, and brought it up. but it never closed below it. Therefore, I let the trade breathe. So it took a nice breath. It went, and then the moment that it blew out, is this what we're seeing right now? I mean, this is, talk about knowing where to put your stop loss. I'm telling you guys, let these trade breathe. Please. How many of you thought he's cooked? Cooked, done. Watch this. That's fine. That's why the entry and what happened is I'm completely okay with it. That's exactly why we have a red zone and a green zone, okay? A stop loss zone and a take profit zone. Come on, baby. Ready? Now I'm going back into coach mode. Let's go. You can do it. Oh yeah, this is gonna take off. Something else to keep in mind. The harder the pullback, right? The harder the pullback, the stronger that continuation, man. It's like when you grab a rubber band and you just pull it back, and the moment the market lets it go, boom, it just takes off. So, yeah, that was a hard pullback. Oh yeah, dude. And then there we are, back to green. Well, briefly. But we going back to green. Trust me, we're going back to green. What a trade so far. Wow. Let's go. Come on. Back to coach mode. Let's go. Come on. You can do it. Let's go. I think some of you gotta try this when you're trading, all right? Go into coach mode, all right? Just coach your trade from the sidelines. That's it. All right, I'm going back to the 5. I want to see what's going on. Oh my gosh, look at that. Hello, came down, wicked. Look at the wick, bro. Look at the flick of the wick, all right? I'm so stale for that, my bad. Look at this. Did not close. You see that wick? Did not touched, and a whoop. It's like a rubber band, I'm telling you. This is about to shoot all the way up. And I'm gonna stay with you so you can see it, happen. Because some of you are see to believe, and that's all right. I was like that once too. All it took was for Gatekeeper himself to sit me down, my mentor, and show me what's up. All right? He showed me what's up. By the way, that stop loss and where the price went, I think we were like $400. That's okay, because I don't risk more than $500 per day. So I can't take more than a $500 loss per day. That would be my limit. When you're trading 5 contracts, it's basically what you're preparing to do, especially when you're looking at the ATR down here. Look at that. The market's moving on an average rate of 184 ticks, right, on the 5-minute chart. And then on the 1-minute chart, 64 ticks. So meaning every candle, oh wait, you can't see it. Let me move myself. I'm sorry about that. There we go. You see this? 64 ticks, right? 64 points. On the 1-minute chart, every candle is moving at an average of 64 ticks. So that's a lot of movement in the market. So when our trade fell down to $400, that was completely okay because of the movement in the market. Okay. Again, if I would have seen 450, 475, 500, I'm out. I'm done. I can't lose more than that. See what I'm saying? So That's all I'm telling you, you know? And I'm giving you nuggets here and there so that you can take it all in. Take it all in, that's all. All right, back to our trade, where we're at. I think we need to go into coach mode again. 100%. Come on, you can do it. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Maybe I put some Drake on for all my Drake fans out there. Shoot. I got a theory. Every time I play Drake, the candle goes crazy. But I'm not gonna do it because I already know I'm gonna get like copyrighted on this video, so I can't. I can't. And I'm not even gonna sing Drake for you because that's just horrible. Yeah, you don't want to hear me sing. Forget that. You're here to see me trade, not sing. How about that? All right. Come on, man. Come on. We're bouncing, come on. All I can tell you is let that trade breathe. That's it. Let it breathe. Let that trade breathe, baby. What I am liking is that we keep getting higher lows. Look at this. Boom, higher low, higher low, higher low. Come on, keep it going. Keep it going. Let's see where our 5 minute is at. All right, we got 3 minutes left. A brand new 5 minute candle. And our 15 minute. 15-minute candle here. Very nice. All right, we're still looking bullish, guys. We're still getting higher lows. So all in all, across 1, 2, 3 different charts, we're looking good. The trade's still alive. It's still looking bullish to me. What kills most people, especially in these trades, is the patience. How many people will start to like second guess their trade? You know, it's insane to me. Sometimes I get a call from a student and say, man, I was in this trade and Leo, it had been like 5 minutes already and like it just wasn't reversing because my entry was premature. But like this one, I'm just being real with you, right? You know, we try to get the best entry, but we're not magicians, right? But at the end of the day, I know I'm on the right side of the market, so I'm at peace. All right, I'm just letting the chart do what it does, unless we get some crazy change. But how many times do I get students call me and say that, man, it wasn't reversing, and I was in there for 5 minutes, and I just got impatient, and I closed it because it went like too close to my stop loss, and the next thing you know, the trade just breathed a bit, right back exactly what we had intended. Because like, bro, even right here on the 5 minute chart, look at this. Trend. Pullback. Nice pullback. Continuation. All you gotta do is let the chart do what it does. Let the market do what it does. That's it. And then you already know my strategy. Be a coach from the sideline. That's it. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. I'm messing with you. I already know there's somebody out there watching this video super annoyed at that. It's like, bro, stop. Hey man, gotta keep it light, all right? We're dealing with money, a lot of risk, right? Right? It's like Wolf of Wall Street. You're dealing with numbers every day. It's real acidic, right? At the top of your, you know, you might get a headache staring at this chart for hours. You gotta keep it light, man. Have fun with it. That's it. At the end of the day, we just that's it. We just gotta be right. That's all it is. I'm so jealous of whoever got this entry. Like, insane. All right, perfect. So brand new candle, 5-minute candle coming in about 30 seconds. It's a brand new 5-minute candle coming in 30 seconds. So this is great. We're gonna see a burst of volume from that candle coming in. 100%. All right, let me check my 15. All right, brand new 5-minute candle. Here we go. There's that burst of volume. You can see it, right? It's spiking already. This will be a beautiful moment for it to just break through those levels, get off of the pullback, and then go on a ride. Because look, it tried to go on a ride here, which happens all the time, by the way. Trend, pullback, continuation, retest, right? This is the retest for it to go. So I'm still happy with what I'm seeing. That's why I have the trade open. If not, I would have closed it a long time ago. If something doesn't make sense, I close it and I tell you guys live, right? No need to lie, no need to do all that stuff. The trade's looking healthy. We stay and we ride it out. That's it. Like this. Ride it out. Come on now. Uh-oh, back to coach mode. Let's go. Let's go. You can do it. You can do it. That's it. Back to coach mode. All right. Back to our 1-minute candle. Yeah, so look. Trend, pullback, continuation, retest, right? Retest, boom, gone. Gone. It's giving you so much confirmation. In the next couple candles, this is gonna be green. It's just, it has no other option, to be honest with you. Based on what we're seeing. Based on what we're seeing. What I'm excited about is once it crosses this section right here, it's gonna go into like a price discovery. And then from that point, we'll just decide how much is enough, right? That's it. From that point, we'll decide, okay, how much is enough? And we'll keep it. How's my 15? Let's see. 15 is doing the same thing. Look, trend, pullback, continuation. 15's doing good. Especially 15's about to close in the next 2 minutes. So in the next 2 minutes, we're gonna get a brand new 15-minute candle. If this candle can close higher, then that's gonna propel us up. So that's gonna be a key determining factor. If that candle can close higher. We'd love to see that. That would just give us everything we need. The volume, the push, just boom. We're looking gangster though on this trade right now. We're looking good. And all of this manipulation, basically what it is, I mean, if you can't see it, I'll show it to you. Look, this right here, all of that is just manipulation. Just tune, up, down, up, down, up, down. I call it the ping pong. They're playing ping pong with you. But it's okay as long as you're on the right side of the market. It's fine. So on the 5-minute, a ton of manipulation. Ton of it. We're gonna get rid of that. Okay, so our 15-minute candle looks like it's gonna close green. I just told you, that's what we wanna see. We got 40 something seconds left. Come on. We want to see a 15-minute candle close green. That's what we want to see. That would be great news. Great news for us. 20 something seconds left on the 15-minute. Close green, man. Come on. There we go. Close green. Close green. Yep. 3 seconds left. Close green. Come on. Yep. Close green. All right. Beautiful. Great. That puts us in a really good position. That puts us in a great position for this trade. Like, unbelievable one. Yeah, there's going to be a slight pullback at the beginning of the candle. That's fine. I'm okay with that. It's all about where it closes, though. I'm okay with that. Let that pullback come back and take us off. All right. Yes. There it is. Come on now. Come on now. Take us higher. 5-minute candle looking great. Look at that. 5-minute candle looking amazing. Yep. Exactly what we wanted to see. That's it. These are the levels that it needs to cross, where it keeps getting rejected. Once it crosses these levels, price is gonna go start discover new ones, and that's where we want to be. But right now, we're doing real good. We might need to extend this a little bit more. We're gonna be in this trade for a little bit more. Let's see. Beautiful. Beautiful. Come on, baby. Take me on a ride. Back to coach mode. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Here we go. Take me on a ride. Take me on a ride. There it is. There it is. There it is. I told you. I told you. Look, it's trying to give us a change of character right now on the 5-minute candle. Let's look at our 1 minute. 1 minute was we going crazy. Let's go. Yup. So we got in right here, right? We experienced a nice pullback, then some manipulation, a retest, and then we're gone, bro. We're gone. We're at 2 something, 275, 265. There we go. Oh yeah, dude. It's only a matter of time. Come on now. Yup. Up 300. Take us all the way to TP. Yup. And that's what it's all about, y'all. This is what I'm talking about. That's it. Nice and simple. You need a trend, you need a pullback, you need a continuation. Let your trades breathe. Please, I'm begging you, let your trades breathe. Whew. Look at that. I'm gonna switch over to my 5-minute. Oh yeah, dude. We're hitting that change of character. Yeah, we're looking good, bro. We're looking great. I need this 5-minute candle to close high like that, and then take us, let the next 5-minute candle just keep taking us higher. That's it, TP. Come on now. How's that sound go? Take me on a trip, I like to go somewhere. Hey. Yo, this is great. I love trading. If you can't tell, I love trading. That's it. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, we're gonna close high. Come on now. Let that 5-minute candle close high. I love it. Where's our 15? Oh, 15's doing great, man. Come on. Let's go. Well, we got a couple seconds left. Yeah, 10 seconds left on that 5-minute. Yep. Final push, final push, final push. Boom. Look at that. Fair value gap. Oh, yeah, bro. Let's go. Beautiful fair value gap. Come on now. Take us to 400 bucks. I want to see plus 400. Come on. Little pullback. By the way, say you hadn't got it in yet, that would have been your entry right there. Once you got a fair value gap on the 5-minute candle and you saw the new 5-minute candle do a slight pullback like it's doing right now, right there, boom. That would have been your entry and it would just take you up higher than that. Trust me, watch. That's exactly what's gonna happen. Somebody would have gotten in right there and then boom, it would have taken you up there. What I'm telling you. It's happening as I'm saying it. Literally happening as I'm saying it. So yeah, you would have gotten in right there on that push because there's so much volume right now. Everybody's buying right now. Everybody. Also, at any point in time, if you're watching from home, at any point in time, I can close this trade. And I keep that. That's mine. Any point in time. If I'm okay with 360, if I'm okay with 350, if I'm okay with 390 that I just saw, I keep that. Right? But I'm just showing you what it's like to run the runners. Right? Run that runner, bro. This trade right now, you're on the right side of the market. You got everything you need. Let that run, bro. Let it. Get paid. I'm trying to show you. We're not under the sun. I'm in my room, peacefully. The kiddos are down there playing. Although I've heard them scream a couple times. You probably have heard them too. You know, what are they gonna do? Kids fight. But at the end of the day, bro, all I'm telling you is, what is it we're doing? We're pressing a button, right? Reading patterns and just profiting off of that. So why wouldn't you want to learn something like this? Come on now. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Come on. Let's go. Take it. Take it all the way. Take it, baby. Take it. Take them for all they got. All right, so this right here, this level right here, what I want to do, because I know it's going to get rejected, I'm going to bring that to like right about here. Because I know that level's going to get rejected. You know what though? Wait a minute. If I see another 500, I'm taking that shit. Excuse my French. If we see another 500, I'm taking it, bro. It's $500. For what? For clicking a button? But some of you don't understand. Let that trade breathe. Learn the gatekeeper strategy. I'm telling you. You're missing out. You are missing out. All this ICT stuff, full porting, inverse, this and that, bro. Just keep it simple. You need a trend. You need a pullback and profit on the continuation. Done. I mean, I don't know how else to explain it. I don't know how else to explain it to you. I've shown it to you live. And had I caught this entry, bro, are you kidding me right now? We'd be almost at $1,000 bucks. That's all I'm saying. It don't matter, bro. It don't matter. We don't trade on the what if. You know, what if I would have done that? No. Keep it simple. Dude, this is beautiful. Oh, this is beautiful. About to close. 5-minute candle about to close. I'm expecting a slight pullback from the new 5-minute candle. Let me see. Unless, well, hold on. Wait, if I see the 500, I told you I'm taking it. Yep. 485, 590, 490, 485. 460. I told you there's gonna be a slight pullback on the new 5-minute candle. Oh, it's looking so good though. What a trade. It's looking so bullish right now. 495. Yeah, 495. 5. All right, I'm gonna take that. Boom. 490. I was up by 10 bucks. My bad. All right, my bad. Guys, enough said, enough yapping. I've yapped enough. All right. Hopefully, I've kept this entertaining. Guys, we got in right here. We got out right there. Are you kidding me? We just did $490. In what? Let's see. Well, these are 5-minute candles, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40. We're, yeah, about 40 something minutes. $500 in an hour? I told you I was gonna keep this video short. Done. Make $500 in 1 hour of your day. And guess what I'm gonna do now? I'm gonna turn off the camera. I'm gonna go back to hanging out with my kids, and I don't gotta worry about nothing else. And I'm done. And I don't even care what happens anymore on the chart. This thing can go to like Mars, or it can fall all the way down. I could care less. I got in, I got out, and I got my money. Anyways, with that being said, guys, the only thing that I want to leave you with, which is very, very important, right? It's gonna be the first step in you staying profitable. It's our Discord, baby. Oh yeah. Guys, join our Discord. Get in. You know, right here where it says start here, you're gonna land on a page like this. We're all gonna say, what's up to y'all? This is hilarious. I thought this was hilarious. God's giving you a sign, right? You need to trade in 2026. That's just the sign that you're getting. But anyways, we got a lot going on. Wins and losses. Look, this was my day the other day. Boom, 330 in a day. This is Gatekeepers, 345 in a day. This is another one of our students, 322 for the day. 166 for the day, another of our students. Another of our students, look how many times they profited. Bought, sold, bought, sold. It's beautiful. Just ton. Look at this. Back in the lab working to get better, plus another $220. And again, it's not just yapping. Look at this. Read this. 2 weeks ago, I received my 6th payout and my account was liquidated. Meaning, he got all of the payouts that he could from Apex. He maxed out his Apex account. Got 6 payouts. Okay? And then yes, Apex liquidated the account because they have a maximum of 6 payouts. But that's why we're letting people know to get involved with the right brokers, okay? Anyways, so what did Henry do? He went to another broker. He used the Gatekeeper Strategy, the trend, pullback continuation, and guess what? Got funded. Now he's back to funded. So we got 6 payouts from Apex, and now he's back to funded with Lucid on a 50K flex. Done. Oh, you think he's the only one? Hell nah. Here's another one, funded. Here's another one, funded. Here's a ton, funded. Dude, it goes on and on and on. So again, oh, I got another one right here, funded. Again, get involved. It's not enough just to sit by and watch the charts. No. Get involved, all right? I'm going to leave the link on the description. Click it. Join our Discord. We're all going to say what's up and welcome you into it. And then start learning. Start your journey to one day being able to sit where I am, trade in the comfort of your home, and be able to change your life. With that being said, my name was Eliel. God bless every single one of you. Until the next one.